In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your email account in Outlook using Hostinger's email server details. Whether you're a business professional managing multiple email addresses or someone who just prefers having everything in one place, getting your email set up in Outlook can make a world of difference in your day-to-day communications. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's open Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, you'll want to find the File tab located in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. Clicking on File will bring you to the Account Information menu. From here, you want to select Add Account. This is your gateway to connecting new email addresses to Outlook. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the email address that you're looking to configure. Go ahead and type it in now. You'll see a few different account types to choose from, such as Office 365, Outlook.com, and so forth. For the purposes of this tutorial, since we are using Hostinger's settings, make sure to select the manual setup option. Once you've made your selection, click Next. Now you need to choose between POP or IMAP. Here, we recommend IMAP, as it allows you to access your emails from multiple devices. Fill in your details and hit Next. It's time to enter the specifics of Hostinger's email server. In the Incoming Mail Server IMAP section, input the server details provided by Hostinger. Typically, it looks something like imapyourdomain.com, but I recommend double-checking those details directly from your Hostinger account or support documentation to be precise. Then move to the outgoing mail server, SMTP, and enter the appropriate server address as well. The general format here is smtp.yourdomain.com. Once you've entered these server details, you're going to enter your email address once more, along with your password. Make sure to type both accurately, as errors here will prevent the setup from working correctly. Next, Outlook will test your account configuration to ensure everything is set up properly. This might take a moment, so just sit tight. If all goes well, you should see successful completion messages for both the incoming and outgoing server connections. If there are any issues, a quick check of the server settings or your network connection can help troubleshoot these problems. Finally, once everything shows it's good to go, click Finish. Congratulations! You've just successfully configured your email account in Outlook using Hostinger's servers. By following these steps, you'll have all your emails centralized in Outlook, making it easier to manage your communications efficiently. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your emails.